When the stomach muscles go on vacation, the back muscles have to work overtime. They tighten up, you bend over to pick up a pencil, and you off work for 6 weeks. Strengthen your abdominal muscles and stretch your lower back, and 85% of an $80 to $100 billion problem will either lessen or go away completely. But none of you can strengthen your abdominal muscles by taking Doan's pills. You have to exercise. I want you to have enough cardiovascular endurance to be able to step up and down on a 16¼ inch box, chair, or stool, or an 8-inch stair for 3 consecutive minutes. Take the pulse for 15 seconds and multiply the beats by 4. If your pulse is higher than 144 beats a minute for men, or 156 beats a minute, 156 beats a minute for women on a 16¼ inch step, you just failed the test. And 75% of the people in this room, if you're typical, will fail that test. A lot of you runners don't have good cardiovascular fitness, but nobody's been able to explain that to you. That test will. And it's not my test. I didn't make it up. It's out there being used by the research community. And then finally, keep track of your body fat. One lady started a 15-mile-a-week jogging program with light weight training, hoping to lose weight. She gained 8 pounds but dropped 6 dress sizes because muscle is heavier than fat and takes up less space. This is a skin fold caliber. I've been taking it everywhere I go, every time I speak for over 30 years. It measures subcutaneous body fat. Half the fat in your body is stored directly beneath the skin. I can pinch the thickness of your skin in the upper back and the thighs for men, upper arm and the waistline for women. I can fairly accurately tell you how much body fat you have. Women shouldn't carry more than 20%, men no more than 15%. If you're carrying more than that, you tend to be more prone to everything from colds and flu to cancer. And by the way, for you researchers, this is Sloan's formula that I'm using for estimating body fat. And I'll be happy to stay around at the end of the day and do body fat percentages for anybody who wants to have that done. It's the quickest way I know to clear the room. And if you don't have a skin fold caliber, keep track of your body shape. If you're losing inches, but you're not losing pounds, what are you losing? Fat. And that's a good thing. So keep track of your shape. For men, you should at least keep track of your waistline. If you're dropping body fat, you almost always are dropping the waistline measurement. For women, it's the hip measurement. Keep track of your hip measurement. I found if you're dropping body fat, you almost always are dropping the hip measurement. So your body's giving you the information you need to motivate you, but you have to know how to read your body. This is stuff we should have taught you back in grade school, and we didn't. Paying a major price for it as a nation. And finally, don't forget to fit exercise into your busy schedule. 3 basic things you want to remember with doing that. Number 1, I want you to work out every day. I want you to work out first thing in the morning. Every day, first thing in the morning, 20 minutes or less, and then work against resistance. But here are the motivational principles that I say. I want you to define what fitness is. Until you gain agreement about what you're trying to do, you're in deep trouble. 2, then I want you to measure fitness. Measuring fitness is a way of identifying what the need is. Focusing on the need is the thing that motivates you to do it. And take it seriously. And 3, I want you to reward physical fitness. Isn't that important? To get recognition for doing it? I found one of the most effective reward tools I've ever found with physical fitness is the belief that you're intrinsically doing something that will impact your health. It is the most powerful reason for exercise. But beyond that, here's what comes in number 2, little sticker starters, paper certificates. Some of the top executives in the state of Oregon I've had rearranging their schedule to get their next sticker starter. This stuff works, okay? So define fitness, measure fitness, and reward fitness. Thank you.